In the early hours of July 17, 2024, a silent saboteur wreaked havoc on the digital world. A critical software bug triggered widespread outages. The impact was swift and severe. From airports to financial centers, chaos reigned. The world watched in disbelief as a single glitch exposed our fragility. This wasn't just a localized outage, it was a global IT meltdown impacting critical infrastructure. Travel, banking, and business operations were hardest hit. The incident reminded us of our reliance on technology. Technicians scrambled to diagnose and fix the problem. How could a single software bug bring the world to its knees?
The global travel industry was among the first and hardest hit by the software malfunction. Airline reservation systems, responsible for booking flights, issuing boarding passes, and managing baggage handling, went offline. Airports transformed into scenes of confusion and frustration. Long lines snaked through terminals as frantic travelers sought information from overwhelmed airline staff. Thousands of flights were delayed or cancelled, leaving passengers stranded at airports around the world. The lucky ones managed to secure last-minute hotel rooms, while others were forced to sleep on airport floors, their travel plans indefinitely on hold. The disruption rippled beyond immediate travel plans. Connecting flights were missed, vacations were ruined, and important business meetings were postponed. The financial impact on the airline industry was immediate and substantial. Lost revenue from cancelled flights, compensation for stranded passengers, and the cost of rebooking and rerouting flights added up to billions of dollars. The incident served as a stark reminder of the travel industry's vulnerability to IT disruptions.
The software bug also wreaked havoc on the global financial system. Banks and financial institutions rely heavily on complex IT systems for everything from processing transactions to managing customer accounts. As the bug spread, ATMs went offline, online banking portals became inaccessible, and credit card transactions were declined. Millions of people were suddenly unable to access their funds, withdraw cash, or make purchases. Businesses were unable to process payments or access credit lines, bringing commercial activity to a standstill. The financial uncertainty triggered widespread anxiety and fear, with many fearing a complete collapse of the banking system. Customer service lines were overwhelmed with calls from panicked account holders seeking information and reassurance. Banks scrambled to reassure customers that their money was safe, while technicians worked tirelessly to restore system functionality. The incident served as a stark reminder of the crucial role technology plays in our financial lives and the potential for chaos when those systems fail.
Beyond travel and finance, the software glitch paralyzed businesses across all sectors. Companies large and small rely on interconnected systems for communication, data storage, and daily operations. The outage brought many of these systems to their knees, halting productivity and causing significant financial losses. Manufacturing plants were forced to halt production lines as inventory management systems went offline. Retailers were unable to process transactions, leading to lost sales and frustrated customers. Service-based companies struggled to communicate with clients and manage projects, leading to delays and missed deadlines. The ripple effects of the outage were felt throughout the global economy. Supply chains were disrupted, leading to shortages of essential goods. Markets experienced volatility as investors reacted to the uncertainty. The incident highlighted the interconnectedness of the global economy and the potential for widespread disruption when critical systems fail.
Section 5. The anatomy of a glitch, unraveling the software bug. Investigators race to uncover the root cause of the catastrophic failure. The culprit, a seemingly insignificant software bug, lurking deep within a widely used operating system. This critical flaw could trigger a cascade of failures across interconnected networks. A rare combination of events amplified the bug's impact, leading to a system-wide crash. The incident highlighted the importance of proactive cybersecurity measures. Section 6. A cascade of failures, how a single bug brought down systems. The software bug's impact was so widespread and devastating because of the interconnected nature of modern IT systems. What began as a seemingly isolated glitch in one system quickly cascaded through networks, like a digital domino effect. This interconnectedness, while enabling efficiency and seamless communication, also created a single point of failure. As the initial system malfunctioned, it sent corrupted data to other connected systems. These systems, in turn, were unable to process the faulty information, leading to errors and ultimately system crashes. The interconnectedness of these systems, designed for efficiency and collaboration, ironically became their Achilles heel. The cascade of failures highlighted the vulnerability of centralized systems. When a critical component fails, the entire network can collapse. The incident underscored the need for greater redundancy and decentralized systems, where the failure of one component wouldn't cripple the entire network.
Section 7. Beyond borders, global supply chains feel the strain. The impact of the global IT meltdown extended far beyond the immediate sectors of travel, banking, and business operations. The interconnected nature of the global economy meant that disruptions in one area quickly rippled outward, impacting supply chains and international trade. With manufacturing plants idled and transportation networks disrupted, the flow of goods across borders slowed to a trickle. Retailers faced shortages of essential items, while businesses grappled with delays in receiving raw materials and components. The just-in-time inventory systems designed to maximize efficiency proved particularly vulnerable to disruption. The disruption to global supply chains highlighted the delicate balance of international trade and the potential for widespread economic consequences when that balance is upset. The incident served as a wake-up call for businesses to re-evaluate their supply chain vulnerabilities and explore diversification strategies to mitigate future risks. Section 8. The economic fallout, quantifying the cost of chaos. As systems came back online, the world began assessing the economic fallout from the global IT meltdown. The cost was undoubtedly staggering. Lost productivity and disrupted supply chains contributed to a significant downturn. Airlines faced billions in losses from cancelled flights and rescheduling. Banks dealt with system repairs and increased customer service demands. The uncertainty led to decreased consumer spending and a decline in stock markets.
Section 9. Lessons learned. A wake-up call for cybersecurity. The global IT meltdown served as a stark wake-up call about the vulnerability of our increasingly interconnected world. The incident highlighted the critical need for robust cybersecurity measures, proactive risk assessment, and a fundamental shift in how we approach digital security. One of the most significant lessons learned was the importance of robust software testing and vulnerability patching. The bug that triggered the chaos exposed a critical weakness in how software is developed and deployed. More rigorous testing and faster patching of vulnerabilities could have prevented the bug from wreaking havoc. The incident also highlighted the need for greater redundancy and decentralized systems. The interconnectedness that led to the cascade of failures also revealed a single point of failure that proved catastrophic. Decentralized systems, where the failure of one component wouldn't cripple the entire network, could mitigate the risk of future widespread disruptions.
Section 10. The path forward, fortifying our digital defenses. The global IT meltdown underscored the urgent need to fortify our digital defenses and create a more resilient and secure digital world. This requires a multi-pronged approach, involving governments, businesses, and individuals working together to address cybersecurity threats. Governments have a crucial role to play in establishing cybersecurity standards, promoting international cooperation, and investing in research and development of new security technologies. Regulations requiring companies to implement robust cybersecurity measures and report data breaches could help raise the bar for digital security across all sectors. Businesses need to prioritize cybersecurity as a core business function, investing in skilled personnel, robust security technologies, and regular security audits. This includes implementing multi-factor authentication, encrypting sensitive data, and regularly backing up critical systems to minimize the impact of potential breaches.
Section 11. A call to action, collaborative efforts for a secure future. The global IT meltdown was a stark reminder that we are all stakeholders in the digital world. Requires a collective effort, with governments, businesses, and individuals all doing their part to mitigate risks and strengthen our defenses. Individuals need to be educated about cybersecurity threats and best practices, such as creating strong passwords, being wary of phishing scams, and regularly updating software. By taking personal responsibility for our online security, we can contribute to a safer digital environment for everyone. The global IT meltdown was a wake-up call, but it was also an opportunity in cybersecurity and fostering international collaboration. We can create a more secure and resilient digital future. The time for action is now. Let's work together to ensure that a single software bug never again brings the world to its knees.